Welcome to our step-by-step guide for installing Pure Art. Your artwork will arrive in protective packaging to prevent damage during transport. Should you have any difficulty, refer to the hanging instructions manual included with the artwork. Be sure to send us photos of your artwork after you've hung it up to receive your free gift. Start by taping the template to the wall and making sure it is straight and taut. You can check that it is straight by measuring the distance of both sides from the ceiling or using a line level. The next step is to mark the wall for the anchors and drilling. Once that's done, puncture holes into the marked areas. Now install the anchors and screws. Next, bend the brackets to form hooks. The bottom tabs are not attached to the wall. They simply provide the necessary spacing to stabilize the piece. The last step is to hang the art on your wall. Alternatively, the artwork can be installed using double-sided tape. Please use caution with this method though, as double-sided tape is typically not removable. The artwork is easily adjustable after it's hung. And there you have it, a wall that will captivate any guest in your home.